I'm Robin Kinsey. I'm a business development manager on the heavy duty truck team here at Geotab. And today I have with me Gianni Falzoni. Welcome, Gianni.
Welcome, Robin. Thank you for having me.
So, Gianni, you're from Pitstop. What does Pitstop actually do?
Yeah, at Pitstop, we've built a cloud-based artificial intelligence platform to help predict vehicle failures before they happen.
Wow. So, no, wait a minute. How is predictive maintenance different from preventive maintenance?
Yeah, sure. So preventative maintenance is typically based on things like time or mileage when you want to bring in a vehicle, whereas preventative maintenance uses the data off of your vehicles and your fleet to predict when you should bring something in and fix it before it breaks down out on the road.
So preventive maintenance is like I need to get my oil changed every 3,000 miles, but predictive maintenance, you're predicting something to fail before it actually does. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. So what
Okay,
will
good.
happen is instead of you bringing something in for an oil change and then 2 weeks later something breaking down, when a car does come in for the oil change, if we can predict something's going to break during that oil change, you can fix some of the other things as well.
That would be good because it seems like everything breaks right after I get back from the shop. So
Yeah, exactly.
what are some things that Pitstop actually predicts?
Yeah, so we have a number of predictions, and our data science team works every day to build more and more algorithms and try and predict new things. However, right now, one of our coolest features is we'll take your diagnostic trouble codes or your engine lights, and we will assign or predict how severe they will be. So whether you need to fix it right now, in a few weeks, or the next time the car goes into the shop. We actually also have models that run off of sensor data to predict whether or not your battery is going to fail, how well your brakes are doing, or if you have diesel vehicles, if you need to replace the DEF fluid before and avoid a lockout.
So how accurate are these predictions?
The predictions are actually very accurate. So, for something like your battery model, for example, we can predict up to a month out whether or not a battery is going to fail. But as we get closer and closer to the failure, the model gets more and more accurate, letting you know, hey, you really got to change this.
Nice. So now how does Pitstop work with Geotab?
Yeah, so we work with Geotab in a variety of ways. So the first way is we use Geotab to be able to get the data to run our algorithms. So that comes right off your device and is uploaded into our cloud. And then secondly, we're integrated directly through the Geotab portal. So you can actually access Pitstop from the portal you're already familiar with.
Oh, nice, all in one.
Yep.
So this is great information. If anybody wants to know more information about Pitstop, what should they do?
Yeah, it's really easy. Just go right to the Geotab marketplace and search for Pitstop, and you can get in touch with us there.
Great. So if anybody wants to know more information about Pitstop, go on to the Geotab Marketplace and search for Pitstop. All right, Gianni, thank you so much for joining me today, and everyone have a great day.
Yep. Thank you for having me.